Hey, Andy here, back with a video about creating event-based quests for your community hub. Let's say I work at a fictional game studio and we're going to be giving a talk at an upcoming conference about our new title. People can tune in virtually and I want to build hype and increase attendance for this talk. To do this, I'll create an event-based quest. This is perfect because it will run for a limited amount of time. It'll give me a dedicated quest page that I can share. I can group multiple actions together, and I can raffle out a reward to a limited number of winners. Alright, to get started, let's come to our quest page here and click New Quest in the upper right hand corner, and I'll select Event-Based Quest. Let's give this a title and a description. I can format this description in many different ways here, but I'm just going to leave this as plain text for now. We'll also give this a cover image, and I'll just use something fictional here for our fictional talk. And we'll put this in the time-limited quests group. I'll hit next, and then I'll select my timing. I want this to start next week, and let's say it'll run for about a month. I'll click next. And at this point in eligibility, I could leave this open to all, or I could apply some filters here. Let's say I want to limit this to only certain members of our Discord server. I could select those roles right here, but in this case, I'm just going to leave this open to all. All right, now for the fun part, let's add some quest steps. I'll click the Add Milestone button, and let's say I want people to visit our website. I'll click Visit Link in the event, and I'll paste in our URL here. I'll say visit our talk page, and I'll leave the description blank on this one. And I'll also leave the button text to be visit here. I'll click Save, and I can see my step has been added. Next, I'm going to ask people to retweet the tweet announcing this talk. I'll click Event, Retweet on Twitter, and then I'll paste in the tweet URL, which will extract its ID for me. And then I'll click Save. Awesome, got my next milestone in there. Next, I want people to join our Discord server. I'll click Social, and in the event dropdown, Join Discord, and I'll paste in our Discord join link and say join our Discord. I'll leave the button text as join and click Save. And lastly, I'd like people to submit a screenshot of them watching our talk live. I'll click Add Milestone, click Social, click on the event dropdown, and select Photo Proof here at the bottom. I'll change the button text to Submit and click Save. Perfect, got all my steps in here. I'll click Next, and in the prize section, I'll leave this as raffle because I want to raffle out a prize to 5 different winners. And in the prize type, I'll click Custom, and I'll enter in my prize info. I'll upload an image for this, and I'm just going to use a generic prize image since this is a fictional event. In the number of winners, I'll say there's going to be 5, and there's going to be 1 reward per winner, which brings my total reward disbursement to 5. I'll click Next, and let's just say for completing this quest, we'll give people 200 credits. All right, now that I'm done here, I can click on the Preview button, and that will take me to a preview of my quest page. We don't have any participants yet since this isn't live, and you can see that it's in a draft state here, and that it's starting in 6 days, 12 hours, 54 minutes, because it's scheduled to start later. I'll click Exit Preview to go back, Finish, and Publish. I'll click close. Back on my quest page, I can see that this quest has been successfully saved and it starts in 7 days. All right, that's it. That's how you create event-based quests. See you in the next one.